It's out of control. Bonnie, I'm legal! I'm legal! I'm legal! Yeah! Really?
Cute bunnies, we are running, baby bunnies, we are cute bunnies, we are running, baby bunnies, we are cute bunnies, baby bunnies, we are cute bunnies, we are baby bunnies.
Before we get the coffee, we gotta turn off the light. Bunny! Whoa! Gotta get the water later. I have enough water. Yeah! You know what they call these sheets? Because sheets makes you wanna take a shit. Got the food, let's go do the pre-trip and get the load. One thing I really like to do, or always have to do, make sure the release arm is in locked position. Go underneath the trailer and the kingpin is locked. You see that? Okay, baby bunnies, this is a bug that died into the windshield. I will have to clean it up whenever I'm at a gas station. There's those tools to do that, like those mopping stick with a solution, and you clean it up. Now I'm gonna pick up my load. Nothing beats a good coffee from Sheets in the morning. Oh, it's bumpy right there. Oh my god, it's so bumpy, this road. This is very tight. I was here yesterday. They told me to come in the morning to pick up my load because yesterday it wasn't due. Somebody hit this thing, somebody clipped it. You gotta go as left as you can. My truck is looking good. Go as far as you can and then start turning. Whoa, almost, oh my god. I'm tight. I'm tight. Bro, that's the tightest angle ever, and I made it the closest. That was championship stuff. That's some champ shit. I'm gonna go to the right, like last time. Red light, that means they're loading. Hopefully it's gonna be quick. I give tremendous respect to these yard jockeys with the white trucks, little trucks, doing this back in. It's very hard, requires a lot of skill. I like the vibration in a truck when they load and unload. It feels really good. You could see the trailer moving. See those doors? Very cool, time to relax. Some people like drop and hook because it's faster, and I do that too, but I like live unloads also on live loads because you just chill. The only time live loads is not good is when it's taking too much time. Sometimes they could take 2 hours or more to load and unload. I have to close the doors first, left first, then right. Looking good, baby. Let's slide the tandems to the 8th hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we gotta go forward. We gotta go forward. Move forward. Let me see how the distance would be. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just a foot. Just a foot. Slide the tandems, only the tractor brake. Leave the trailer brake on. Wait for it. Move a foot.
Ruff! 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 Ruff!
Okay boys, I'm here by Kutztown, Pennsylvania. I just got out, slid the tandems. Hopefully I'm legal weight. If I'm not, I have to slide them again. I gotta use the cut scale to determine my weight before a weight station. And yeah, supposedly I get there by 2 p.m. ish, 2:30, shutdown. Then I'll wake up half an hour after. I unload at 7 a.m. and about 9 a.m. I pick up my next one. I'm going to Tennessee. I have a time to do a 34-hour reset and get to Tennessee. Okay, bunnies, I'm here at the pilot to fill up. I want to make sure I'm not clipping anything or anybody. I had to enter one of the exits. Not an exit, it was a different entrance for cars because I missed my truck entrance. Shit happens. He snuck up on me. GPS didn't really show me or anything. I gotta go to the Catskills again, do this thing again after, turn around after a few, or reverse. No, you don't want to reverse into Catskill. I'm just gonna reverse there and come back. Look at that trailer. I think this is good right here. Okay, bunny. Perhaps I should get a protein bar, matter of fact. Okay, so now I set up the fueling with the cashier. Something went wrong over there, I don't know what. So the cashier said I'm set to go. Guys, there's nobody. There's a lot of fuel islands open. I'm going on Bonehead Tracker, see if somebody records me. There's nobody there though. There's one fuel island left. I mean, there's one fuel pump left. We gotta do what we gotta do. Or else I don't want to park. Do it real quick, 2 seconds. Let's get a coffee. That's too small. You going on Bonehead Trackers, man? Where's the milk? Okay, that's good, that's really good. Alright, now we are going back to the truck. Hey, this guy gonna try to block me. Hopefully. Yeah, I'm leaving now, I'm leaving now. That is okay, I have to do what I gotta do, amen. If I do it quick, no complaints. Almost forgot, I gotta go to the Catskill. Oh god. Put the phone right there for now. Let's insert, wait a couple seconds, shift to drive to the left. I do not want to clip the fuel island like the Bonehead Truckers, guys. I must weigh myself. I'm gonna be driving now. I want to put on duty scaling. There's no way I could jackknife around over here. I gotta go all the way back the same U-turn that I did. My fuel is full! Bunny! I am going in. Real truckers don't wear flip-flops, man. Half the truckers wear flip-flops. Like literally half the truckers, OTR, wear flip-flops. But real truckers don't wear flip-flops, they say. I don't wear flip-flops. I listen to Bonehead advice. Bunny, I'm legal! I'm legal! I'm legal! Yeah! Really? There's trucks, cars, trucks. There we go, there's a gap right there. Okay. Okay. Thank you, bye bunnies. Coffee is good. I love coffee. I will look forward in the evenings to go to bed happy, because I know that as soon as I wake up I get my daily dosage of coffee. I drink 2 a day, in the morning preferably. I don't drink coffee after 11 or 12 p.m. Okay guys, so this is what I'm dealing with. It just hit me out of nowhere real quick. I'm on hazard lights because I'm going slow. Some truckers like this one is gonna pass me very quickly. It's not the smartest thing to do, driving fast in these conditions. It's a tropical storm, boys. I should have stopped. Oh, whoa, whoa, you see that wind? It's pushing me. Oh my god, I should stop under the bridge right there. You can't. It's out of control. Okay, I think the light at the end of the tunnel is coming. So the clouds are moving away, or I'm passing through the cloud system, but the more I go forward, it comes and goes. Like sometimes, now that I put the windshield wipers a little less, watch, in a few more minutes, in a few more seconds actually, in this video, it will come back like now, and you gotta do even stronger because the storm is coming like that. So no matter how much further out you get in a little bit of that storm diagonally. I'm on the J brake. Now I'm gonna undress the J brake because the road here is not as wet yet, or maybe it won't even be. Maybe the whole storm was already here and it's drying out. Okay guys, I'm here in Ohio, about to reach my destination, my truck stop. Okay bunnies, I made it to the Flying J. Plenty of truck and parking spots, and I came here early, so I'm good. I'm gonna go work out now.
Alan KV Production. Alan KV Production.
What's up bunnies? I just finished my laundry, but I didn't record anything, I forgot. I'm sitting here chilling, getting a massage. I had a lower back pain from sitting too long in a chair driving, but now I'm getting the circulation treatment that I deserve. This is good. Ow. Oh yeah, it's Van Dam and I'm damn delicious. Flying J here in Ohio, looking really good with those flags right here. Memorial Day weekend, but I'm not in a weekend, I'm working. Well, now I'm off duty, but I'll be back tomorrow at 5 a.m. That's the sun, the sunset to the west. I'm gonna put my head that way, not that way, because that's head to north. I flip my pillow to that way, so I don't sleep with my head to north. What's up bunnies? I'm here in my sleeper berth. This is perfect. Yeah buddy, I'm here chilling. I got my shake that I'm gonna drink, my nasal spray, my headphones for listening to ASMR. It's a beautiful morning here in Ohio, right next to Lake Erie. truck stop is almost full. Actually, not so much. It's a big truck stop, so there were some spaces. But before I came here, it was almost empty. Okay, so I'm looking at the weather forecast, and it says mist. Good morning. Before we get off here, I've paid $5 here, cash. You could pay a debit card too. 15-minute massage for $5. That was worth it. Alleviated my back. Shower. I did laundry yesterday over there. I didn't take a shower. I just wiped myself with a cleaning wipes. Okay, baby bunnies, it's time to go. I'll be there at 6:30, half an hour early. Okay, baby bunnies, you gotta watch the wheel right there. As soon as it passes a little bit of the bobtail, you could turn. In fact, you could even turn now, but I wouldn't do that. I would not want to do it. I could do like, start turning now. Yeah, that's perfect. Good thing I left now. By the time I get there, probably gonna be exactly 7. Boony, kuta boony. Yeah. Cut scales. I don't need it today because I already scaled and I'm at the legal weight. I'm gonna J-brake this thing. J-brake. Get off of J-brake. Don't want to be a bonehead trucker, so you don't want to get into that ditch right there. Watch that wheel.
0.2 miles ahead. Turn right on ramp to I-90 West.
Okay, we got a Ford Explorer here, looking like a cop, trying to turn. He's letting us go. Cute, cute bunny, cute baby bunny. Weenie, 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 weenie. Uh-huh. Oh my god. That Ford Explorer is doing what's right. Going left, boss me. I can't go too fast because the fog. They say it's mist, but it's like a fog. The bridge looks low, but it's really not. Psych. Look how bad it became. I'm definitely slowing down. Hazards. I'm going to Mentor, Ohio. All these bridges look low to me. I mean, they're not low. There's no clearance sign, but they look low though. Whoa, my mirror is foggy. I gotta wipe it.
Turn right on Ohio 44 North.
I can't see in the mirror. What the heck? How? I'm going to take extra wide because I can't see in the mirror. Oh, now I can see a little bit.
3.8 miles ahead. Take left ramp to Ohio 2
Ah,
West.
the sun is in my face. Okay, we're almost there. We're 20 minutes early. I really hope that they're gonna take me, or they're not gonna send me. Oh, you're too early. Go around, and then I wanna go around and be like, oh, you're too late. Come back the next day. That's what Amazon does. Nobody on the left. Looking good. Watch the mirror.
0.3 miles ahead. Turn left on Diamond Center Drive.
Okay, there's a bend right there. Can we turn? Yeah, there's a trucker right there. Lord Heavenly Father, help me make that turn. Oh my god. Yo, right under, bro. Right under. Huh? Whoa, stay straight. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Gotta cut it a little because there's a tree right there. Uh-oh. Am I making it? I think I'm making it. Yes, I'm making it, boys. I'm making it. Just a little more. Those pallets are in the way. They shouldn't be here. Yeah, I just made it. That was a tight turn, bro. That was not a joke. I hope you could come. I think you could come from there. Right here, I want to stop. Slide the tandems. Down, I'm gonna slide the tandems. We gotta pull forward. Wait for the brakes. Yeah, now it's going slowly, slowly. It's just water, right? That's a lot of water to deliver. Yes, you see that? It's in the hole. Check the other side. Always check the other side, because sometimes one hole could get in while the other not, and that's the problem. See this? Oh, this is in the hole. I thought it's not. I got scared for a second. Oh, okay. Now we did everything right. Come on, bumper, yes. Yeah, there we go. It wasn't that harsh. That's pretty good. No, my PSI is low. I'm gonna wait for the pressure to build up. Then I turn off the truck. Alright. Turn off the truck. End of the story. We made it.